Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Ford Focus facelift model estate. As you can see, lovely condition. Privacy glass to the rear. Rear park distance control. Boot area is in lovely condition. Interior has been well looked after. Two electric mirrors. Some 112,668 miles. Starts lovely. Just reconditioning the gearbox in this. It's got a nice new gearbox, all lovely. Good DAB radio, multifunction steering wheel, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, sync, USB. Really is. Drives well too. DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.